Welcome to the news. Our former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan has arrived at court in Islamabad to face corruption charges. But police have entered his residence in the city of Lahore and fired tear gas at his supporters. Khan had asked his supporters to follow him to the capital, but they were unable to enter Islamabad. About 5,000 extra officers have been deployed in Islamabad, and parts of the capital have now been sealed off. Kamal Haider has more from the capital.
Imran Khan's lawyers had requested that the venue should be moved from a different location where it was supposed to be because of security reasons. There were already 2 attacks in that location. So that was one of the primary concerns, because Imran Khan has been saying that he's a target of assassination. There's already been 1 attempt on him. Just a few minutes ago, his vehicle, escorted by a few other vehicles, entered through this area, so he should be getting into court any time within the next few minutes. But as you can see behind me, thousands of his supporters have gathered on Srinagar Highway to welcome and to get a glimpse of their leader Imran Khan. When Imran Khan left Lahore, there was a big camp outside his house. His supporters had actually succeeded in stopping several attempts by the police to arrest him. However, as soon as he left Lahore for Islamabad, the police again moved in, removed all the barricades, and also arrested his supporters who were still there. So it is going to be important to see what happens if Imran is able to avoid arrest. Where will he go back to? Will he go back to Lahore? He cannot go back to his residence in Islamabad because that too has been surrounded. And there is apprehension that there is a possibility that he's likely to be arrested.
Well, for more on this, I'm joined